Hello beautiful people. Today I am talking about movie which is trending on Netflix, Alive. A city is infected by a mysterious virus which causes the city to helix out of control. John Woo and a Yubin fight to survive is an isolated apartment complex from those infected with the virus. Everything including internet, phone and electricity has been disconnected around the apartment. This is the original Korean title is Sarai Da. The movie is based on the American zombie movie Alone starring Taylor Ozzy. In theaters June 24, 2020, South Korea released, and on VOD September 8, 2020 on Netflix. Alive is a 2020 South Korean zombie film. It is based on the 2019 script Alone by Matt Nyler, who co-adapted his script with Joe. It is set during a zombie disaster and turns around a gamer's struggle for survival, as he is forced to stay alone at his flat and even challenge the zombies trying to break and enter. John Woo spending his days all alone playing video games, live streaming, and mob in his apartment. One day, players begin asking for help and prompt John Woo to look at the TV. He turns on the TV to see a live broadcast of a mysterious virus spreading across Korea, and then looks outside to see people eating each other and running, particularly a schoolgirl biting her mom and little eating her. John Woo, shocked at the declaration, obstacle himself inside his apartment. He lets in a local resident but is revealed to be infected, and John Woo locks him out. As the days pass and more people gets infected, John Woo runs out of food and water, delusion about his family, and one day listens to a broadcast of his family being eaten, which is heard by the infected. In a bit of tantrum, John Woo kills an infected before a gang forces him to hide among the get rid of rubbish, and he hardly makes it back to his apartment. Driven by loneliness, John Woo live streams a farewell message and prepares to hang himself, but is stopped by a laser pointer which is coming towards the other building. He feels that there is another survivor. He frees himself and sees a lady, Yobin, who lives in the opposite apartment. They quickly meet daily, and as Jo-woo was hungry due to lack of food, Yobin tried to see how far the two apartments were and threw a baseball tied to a string to her balcony railing. But the baseball not reached that apartment. Eventually, John Woo used his drone to carry a string from his apartment to Yobin's, and hence Yobin's is able to pass food to Jo Woo via the homemade flying fox. However, an infected managed to climb up the apartment to Yobin's window through the string tied to baseball that Yobin's threw. Jovo uses his drone to divert the infected, and Yobin kills it, but Jovo's drone was destroyed in the process. As Jovo slowly runs out of food, he begins searching for food supplies in neighborhood homes. He enters one unit where he sees two walkie-talkies and some food left behind by the owner. Junwo sends a walkie-talkie and some food to Yobin, and they begin to talk through walkie-talkie. But infected people soon rush the area, having tracked Yovon and Jobin from the drone. Feeling that they are going to die, they both made a plan to reach John Woo's apartment, 8th floor, that Yobin contended is empty and is safe. Yobin roped down her way down, and with Jobin's help, they made it to the 8th floor. Still, a solo zombie alerted a gang and group, and with their lives apparently in despair, they are saved by a man who gives them food and water, but his real intentions are proven when he knocks the two out. He aspires to feed Jovins to his zombie's wife that was in a locked room. But John Woo manages to wake up in time and intimidate him with a gun, having picked it up while they were downstairs escaping. Jovins manages to break free from Zombie's wife, grapple, and the man is eaten by his wife. Jovins shoots the man and his wife out of mercy, but the gunshots attracted the infected. Thinking that people will never help again, Jovins requested Yovo to kill her before the infected reached the apartment. Just as Yovo was hesitant, preparing to kill Jovin out of mercy, he hears a rescue helicopter flying around the apartment. Both of them decide to head to the rooftop, but after making it to the rooftop, the helicopter is not seen. The infected have reached to the rooftop, and as they were in danger of getting bitten, the helicopter appears and shoots the zombie group down. John Woo and Jobin are loaded onto the helicopter. The final scene shows them on the helicopter as a voiceover by an anchor man explains that the military are making their ways to survivor areas since data connections had started to become and survivors can use their social media to give their locations to the military. Thank you beautiful people for watching our videos. For more updates, stay tuned with us.